Hi everyone, welcome to Central Smart QA Hub. Today we are going to discuss the automation assignment. You are going to code the how to handle the single select list box and then multi select list box. So first task is click on the list box link. You will get this page. So in this page, you will see the state list box. Select the first option, and the next one you will see the district list box. Select the second option, and next one, third drop down, select third option and click on submit. You can validate whatever the option you have selected. So this is the first task. And second one, click on the multi select list box link, and in this page where you can see the multi select list box, and in this multi select list box the element name is preferred job location, and click on the first option and third option and fourth option. This is a second task. And third task is go to Facebook creation page. So in the creation page and get whatever the month list box current option is present. Once you code it and paste your code in the below comment,